Here is a wonderful 2021 BMW X3. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy the journey while you conquer the road in the X3. Intelligent technology, confident and balanced, this sports activity vehicle was designed for passionate drivers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power liftgate, satellite radio, wood grain interior trim, backup camera. Assert your passion for driving in style. Drive the X3.